Vsauce. Child Cancer Awareness Month here. Today, we take a look at some wet Arby's having lunch all day. So, I don't know what these are doing here. Let's just get that out of here. All right, just open up the box. You know. Yep. All right. Awesome. All right. So here we have a childhood cancer right here. They're making us aware of it this month. Yeah, so this is an old one. This one came out in a dozen cards ago. Pretty big deal in Japan. All right, so we're doing this first take, first try. As you can see inside, we got 12 more full art promo cards. You can see them over here. Pretty nice set. So I initially caught my eye with this box. Got some booster packs. Got a metal coin. 2 sets of sleeves right here. Look like we got some Xerneas sleeves. 2 sets of tournament-ready dice, because I'll be playing in lots of tournaments, of course. And a kickstand-style box to hold it all, so let's give it a go, you know? Yeah, alright, here we go. Okay, let's just... Perfect, folks. Whoa!
Better not.
Oh, mama! Yeah, cool.
Wee mama.
Would you look at that?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, man.
That's a thick ass
Oh,
boy
man,
right
we
there.
got a code card right here.
There's a card
All
of
right.
exceptional.
All right, we got some packs, got some Primal Clash and some Roaring Skies. Got a couple sets of sleeves here. Xerneas and Yveltal, nice, not bad, not bad. There's our little box. Got some dividers, very nice. They're very good. Hold that, thank you, awesome. All right, and in here, as you can see, we have all those awesome promos, as well as the dice, the metal coin, and we got these nice cards up front. So let's
Unwrap those cards.
All right, cool. Yep, thanks me. There we go. We got N right there. Oh boy, look at that N.
Big sex.